What's good, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome in. Welcome in. Today, ladies and gents, we are going to be trading the certified Grand Cup. We're already up 200 bucks. I was just trying out to see if it worked. Everything works fine. What's up, buddy? What's up, Andrew, bro? How you doing? We were just trying out something that was fine. Obviously, won the trade because we're up 200, right? Very, very slight win here. We're only allowed to be in 10 micros, so I'll be scaling it slightly. I just noticed that we're above, or we just tapped our upper channel here on the bear with the ignition bars, which means that we could either go long or short here. I don't mind either. I put the wave as bullish clearly and the tide as bearish because, as you can see, which means I'll accept longs, I'll accept shorts. I'll just trying to run this account up as much as possible here, okay? So we're gonna try to be playing both sides here, which would be a little bit more complicated, but all in all should be fine, right? So hopefully you guys had a great week. Hopefully you guys had a great week as well. I really, really do enjoy when it's time to come back and lock back in, though. Now, on that note, the last thing we got was a purple divergence here, triangle for the bulls, right? And we're right about this volume area here. So we're gonna be looking if we can maybe send it long, possibly here off that green arrow as well. If we cannot and we end up getting a bearish one, that we'll just kind of send it bearish, right? Now we're kind of just looking for any reason why we would take a long here. Maybe a super AO, possible, a Harmonidot, anything, any play goes here. And we're going to be looking to take this trade higher, most likely sitting at around equilibrium here of, or I should say at around premium of this area here, right? If I go with my Fibonacci here at the bottom, we're right around the area. Possibly we could go a little lower, but we just got the bearish one here. So that means we're gonna be looking for shorts now, possibly to go down to this blue line here, the blue area, to, like I said, to go just a little bit lower so we can reach that 50% area. Price do love to retrace at that 50%. Basically just looking for any reason to slap short. We just got the ignition bar to the short side as well, breaking back down here off that top of the channel here. We are in between our golden ropes, but we're heading back down towards that lower Bollinger Band here. So I do like what I'm seeing quite a bit. I would have expected either higher double divergence triangle here, double or the delta here. Give me an AO, give me something, we'll slap it. But other than that, we're on the 2, the 4, and the 6. We have great speed. When I was trading before on the 2, we were too fast, but gladly price kind of chilled out a little bit since then, I'm guessing. It will be a little interesting to see what people do with the Grand Cup. I saw somebody's already have 15 bans, so I don't know what the fuck these people are on. I don't know what kind of drugs they do, but I mean, shit's fucking crazy. These people for sure have the limitless pill or something. I don't know. These guys are absolutely fucking out their minds, being already up 15K. Fucking thing's been out for like 4 hours, right? And you can only trade one mini. I'm pretty sure you can't. I'm pretty sure there's no scaling too. Like, it's just one mini. So we'll see. We have a fib dot here. We have a harmonic on our 6, right? We got the 2 divergence triangles to the downside here. Obviously we had a big move to the upside here, which is scaring me just slightly, but we do need something to bring us lower. Another divergence triangle here. Unbelievable. It's the first time I see so many in a row here. AO, headshot, all right. We'll slap one here, and we'll get in a starter position. With this account, since we have to run it up, there'll be no real stop loss. We'll kind of just send it to make money here. We're up 16 here. Ideally, I would have been in a bit more. We got a dot on the 6 as well. We're looking to Seuss possibly to go all the way back down to here. So we have space. We have time, right? We have the headshot on the 4. We have our dot, our basically harmonic dot on the 6, right? With the harmonic right here and our triangle. And we have the AO on the 2. Now we're looking maybe something else could print on the 2. We could slap another con here. We did react off that bottom of the channel here, but which is fine, right? Whatever. But ideally, we'd get a little bit more. We just got the red arrow to print here. Would be lovely if we could get anything else more. Being in one contract was a mistake by me here. We'll go 2 at a time. Definitely a mistake by me. Yeah. That, I guess that'll be my toe in the water trade. Could kind of keep this contract going. Harmonidot and Super AO all at the same time here at the same area. But I'm only in one con, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep the trade going here. Maybe something else will print. Obviously, I'll only really exit the trade if we get a red dottage for the 6. If we can get a bullish divergence triangle is when I'll exit. And that will be all, ladies and gents. Our target is around here somewhere, so possible 150 ticks maybe. Headshot on the 2 here, still fine, up around 55 ticks. Blue down on the 6, starting to look a little bullish here, but like I said before, I am planning to hold until we get a divergence triangle. So because those usually call tops or bottoms pretty accurately on the 6. What market data you use? I'm using Tradeovate right now with the Tradeify Grand Cup. Miguel. We're up 60 ticks right now. No real reason to go lower. We didn't tap that upper channel here to go down. Ooh, we just got a PRZ ladder to print here on the bull. Slightly unfortunate. DCDM to go higher as well. Great. I say bring it. I say bring it higher. Fuck it. I top ticked that John anyways. I say bring it higher. We're going to send 2 more at the top of here. And ideally, we'll get something going. Double delta and the dot. I already fucking reacted. It reacted way too quickly here for me. Jesus. I'm going to stop at the channel. I should have been faster to add. I definitely should have been faster to add. No arrow here just yet. Could slap 2 here, I guess, but I would have liked to see it like at least top of the channel, right? At least bring us to the top of the channel and we'll send this. Bare minimum here. Bare goddamn minimum here. Top of the channel. There we go. All right, we'll slap 2 here, top of the channel. No other real confluence, but still decent enough to slap it here, I think. Right? We do have a bunch of PRZs above as well, but we can hold this thing pretty much for a good amount of time here. We have the green edge printed. The nerd is saying bullish, but don't really care. I mean, we're looking pretty good. I could low-key just go break even as well, to be honest. Kind of see what we can do here. Again, we didn't do any, and we didn't get any of our confluences on our 6 to kind of take profits here, so it's fine. We're up 50 ticks right now on this trade and off the ad, and we'd probably be up 80 tick without the ad. Nice little green dots here on our 6 though, but it's all good. Really want to start putting size on those trades, I think, if we're going to be making it past this round of the tournament. Gotta trade it like I mean it, right? Are you guys in the Tradeify tournament? In the Tradeify Grand Cup? Let me know. Let me know in the chat here. I'm hearing some clacks here. Yep, I'm hearing flu clacks. Delta. Don't really care about the clacks because we still have our thing going. And there we go. We're going back down here. Great. Now, off that, now hearing those booms again, I can definitely see an ad possible either at the top of the channel or if we get anything really. We do have a bunch of PRZs below that we could target, which would be great. Oh, Lord. All right. AO there. All right. Well, I mean, we're up basically 100 points here. We're up 100 ticks here. We took the low that we wanted, right? No thing. We're going to flatten here and take our 100 ticker. And then we're going to let it rip, see if we can get maybe a bull divergence and then send it long. We'll see what's going on. We got the AO on the 6. AO here, AO here, AO everywhere basically, and they're all blue. So, yeah, there you go. See, big pop up here off those AOs. So, great profit taken here. Absolutely amazing. What's your Cam? What's up, brother? How you doing, bro? Are you training to Tradeify Grand Cup? This is a Tradeify Grand Cup account right here. Last time we did pretty good. Last Grand Cup. This time around, I'll be trading it in the morning and with AlgoBox, so we'll see how it's gonna go. Enigma short here on the 2, but I don't really care. I'd like to see a divergence triangle coming in soon here, so I could kind of execute, right? Execute soon-ish here. You're trading it nice. Have you taken a trade yet? Anything? Have you taken anything at all, brother? Anything at all? If you guys like the stream, please, I'd really appreciate if you guys could like the stream, right? Also, typing in the chat helps out a ton with the YouTube algorithm. That would be great. It'd be super appreciated if you guys could like the stream, right? Other than that, you haven't taken a trade yet. I see. I'll be trading it tomorrow morning too. Hopefully, we can just kind of stack wins. I want to get to 3K profit ASAP. That'd be the goal. And then kind of sit there. And I'm thinking if you have 3K profit by May 25th, you probably make it because a lot of people are going to blow. That's what I'm thinking. Little headshot here. We have a bunch of harmonics below, though. I'm just going to wait for my divergence triangle to pop in here. We had a banger of a trade, though. Holy, I wish I was in more size. I think entering 2. I think entering 4 at the start is right. Oh my god, we have so many harmonics lower. There's a chance I might actually slap shorts if we hit top of the channel here. I don't see a reason why I wouldn't. I may actually slap some shorts here soon. We just hit top of the channel, but I don't know. I'd like to see some kind of move here at some point. There's too many harmonics everywhere right now. Too much shit going on. There's too much shit going on at this moment, ladies and gentlemen. We are super bullish on our nerd. Nope, we're actually neutral. I think it hadn't updated just yet. That's my fault. But yeah, basically we're willing to play both sides here. Nerd is neutral, which is great for us. There we go. There we go. Big pop up here. Huge. Now we should get a divergence triangle to the downside at some point here off those PRZs possibly. A harmonic reversal off that shark possibly. We have an AO right here that just spawned. It's hard for me to justify taking shorts after a move like this, but if we get that divergence, I will be doing it. I'm hovering over the button and I'm waiting. There it is, sending it here too. And like I said, the stop loss are going to be basically non-existent. I think we're just going to be looking for big plays here, big plays to go back down. Although we did just take this, so this might have been a little rough. Might actually take this off, this one here, and look for longs instead. But if I was to look for longs, I need to pop down anyways. Super AO here just came in. AO there again, or maybe possibly a way that we could kind of take this. I'll flatten here. I'll take this out actually. I don't think it's worth sending it for nothing here. Delta on the 6 now is looking quite good for shorts here, possibly. Maybe a little pop-up here. I'd love to get another divergence triangle on our 6 before we can send anything lower. But again, after a move like this, I'd rather go long, right? But everything is, our bigger time frame is kind of bearish. So this could just be kind of a little move up with that ready DD, ready red arrow here. Could be a good area to go short as well. So we'll see what kind of shit we get here. We are a little too fast either way, but still willing to kind of send it if we need. We have some profits to play with here. Don't really want to blow it on the first day though, but I also don't want to just trade it for nothing. I don't want my time to be wasted. I value my time very greatly. But I do think longs might be the move here. Finding it really hard for me to justify taking shorts. Possibly off this here. Maybe we go higher. We took this here, right? And then right there, we can kind of get a move back here at some point. We're going way high, right? We are much higher than this, but we're actually I don't think we're gonna get a divergence triangle off this move. Delta shift on the floor, sure. We did just get an ignition bar here on the 89 on our tide. We are in King's timing right now. Bottom of the channel here. We're approaching that area here, those volume areas. Harmonic on our 2 Gartley here. If we get anything to print, we could actually send it bullish and kind of make it make sense. But AO here as well. AO down. No, I'm gonna wait for my divergence triangles, bro. These things are too crazy. If I don't get it, I'm not gonna take a trade. Either long or short, I don't care, but I do want it. Another delta shift on the 6 here. Off that move up here with the lower, I think there is a possibility where we can get the divergence triangle off this and off the PRZ on the two. This would be a really good area for short actually, if it comes through. Let's see if it will. Red arrows printing like crazy. Give me my triangle. Give me my PRZ here. Top of the channel. Move back down. Insta profit. I'm telling you. I'm gonna enter with 4 if we get it. There it is. 4 in. Willing to add to this. If we can get a move down here at some point, I'm definitely gonna scale a lot faster though because we do have the ready DD and the PRZ and the triangle, but we're starting to move very bullish here. Starting to be very bullish here. We do have the PRZ ladder below. Kind of maybe want to scale up in this trade. Will do. Looking for a scalp to move back down here. Looking for a quick scalp to move back down here with the PRZ ladder down here. Off that triangle and off a bunch of things here. If we do end up breaking up and taking these as again, I do have some contracts I can add on to this. Really put size off the table here. I'm not playing around at all at this time, at this point in time here. Price does seem kind of hesitant at this moment though. But I do like seeing all those potential targets at the right below me. Oh, and then we're short. All right, we'll add it here. Stop will be below or above here. It's a pretty big stop. I can't really add on to this, yeah? Yeah, I can't add. All right, AO down, super AO here. We have to get off here, yeah. Unfortunate here. Trade number 2 is a loss. Don't think I'm going to be shorting any more, right? I don't think shorting is right here. I do think longs might be the move. Longs actually might be the move off this big move here, right? We were bearish, but we're kind of starting to break up here above that kind of channel here we got going on. Could start averaging into a position because I don't expect much of a pullback here at this point, to be completely honest with you. Bottom of the channel might be the move. Basically break even on the day right now, which is fine. It does happen. It does happen. I'd love to get a divergence triangle to the downside though. That would really be something for me. We do have the PRZ below right there. Ready DD and AO. Alright, we'll send this other position longer. I think long's gonna move. Move lower. Off that shark tail here. AO on the 6 and the thing. We'll go 2 more. Stop will be semi-tight here on this because I don't have my triangle just yet. But I do plan on seeing an expansion move up here. Possibly kind of hugging that Bollinger Band to the top. Yeah. Yeah, we'll put the stop there for now. Alright, we'll go break even here. We'll go break even here. We're gonna be waiting to see if this thing can kind of rip up. Right, we want to see big continuation, big follow through here, unless we can expect kind of a big rebalance as well. Bat just printed right at my entry. Super unfortunate here. Super fucking unfortunate. Probably gonna stay stopped up BE. I'll take it here because I do expect price to come back, right? And we'll be back break even, ready to extend it one more time if we can. Again, and also I didn't have my triangle, right? So I was kind of, oh, are you kidding me? It's okay. That's what happens. You don't what happens when you don't follow your own rules, right? Name was short. Don't really care about it. Don't really care about it too much. Like I said, I think longs are the move. Shorts are just getting disrespected left, right, and center. So give it a shot. Did not work out. We're gonna send it long. We're gonna stick to what we know. Now, if this thing could break below here without going below there, we're gonna get a delta, or not a delta, but we're gonna get a divergence triangle, and that is juicy, my friends. That is fucking amazing if we can get that. Slap some fucking longs up in here. It'll look great. It'll look great on my chart. I already know. Algo has shorts favorable. I don't really care what Algo does though. We are strong buy on our nerd. as of this moment, which is good. I would have liked to move lower. Would have really I could leave this on overnight too. How interesting would that be? Account, yeah, you're right. Yeah, that makes sense. I thought I was in the wrong account for a sec. Ayo, give me my triangle, give me my divergence. Give me my divergence. Bottom of the channel here, possibly even on the 4. Bottom of the channel is a really great confluence because it just means that we've pulled back. There it is. All right, 2 here. 2 right there to go take out these highs possibly. AO, wouldn't really want to add here on the AO alone. I'll add there. I'll add on that headshot too. I'm hearing those bears though. So we did kind of break past the triangle. Delta here. Will we get another one? I don't think so. Almost though. AO up on our 6. Good. Very good actually. I'll go break even because I do think that there's a world where we pull back lower. Could always re-enter, right? Doesn't really matter. But if we just skyrocket here, I think the risk is worth it to go break even if we were to skyrocket, right? Like we did before. Wouldn't mind seeing price come down here and then move up. We're gonna hear order filled here soon. Oh. Goated SL? Nope, not goated. Alright. It's okay. Our divergence angle was a bit high anyways. Would have liked to see another one come through before we can actually do something here. Scalping to NQ. Delta shift on our 2. Sure. Wouldn't mind seeing a retrace to EQ of this move here. Dude, my fucking... What are these levels that it's showing me, dude? Levels? Don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care. Don't care, don't care. Sure, 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 sure. Okay. Apply. There we go. Alright, EQ and OTE. Let's get it. Give me this. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback and print me something in that area. We're gonna send it full cons. Name was short. Short. Short, everybody. Could turn this on, see what it does, right? Arm long, arm short, full auto, Enigma on, super AO on. Oh, it filled me. Alright. Filled me right away. My view yet, whatever. Double Enigma there. Shot quantity 1, yeah, sure. E-power, fills on neutral. Mac VU. My VU is buy right now. We're in shorts. Yeah, I probably should have turned to my VU on first. Slightly unfortunate here. Actually, yeah, I don't really want to be doing that right now. Wrong time to fucking try something. Wrong time to try something. It's on me. Alright, we got a super AO here. I mean, we're only 1 con. We can always keep it. It could always come back. I don't mind this one con here, but I would need it to kind of come back now. Realistically, I would put the stop like right above price here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. And that's why right there. It's like unfortunate that we didn't get a print here. We're probably gonna get a short print here because we went above all these here off this price, but we didn't go above these. I feel like odds are that we will go above these, but I do think in short Enigma on the 6, that's crazy. That is crazy. If we get an arrow here or a divergence, I might actually be looking to send that shit. Because I've never done that on the 6 Enigma and Heyo. And dot, I mean, this would be a good area to send longs, I think. Back up to here. I mean, clearly we missed this. Yeah, I knew it. This looks more like my morning strategy than my AlgoBox. Oh, there's a divergence, super AO. You know, We're gonna go in heavy. We're gonna try this in heavy, tight stop. I'm still hitting clocks. I'm gonna get stopped. Yeah. I don't mind that though. Quick stop outs, possible big move opportunity off this, right? Do we mind it? Big move opportunity back here, swept all these highs. We got a divergence triangle here. I mean, I don't mind it at all. Get somewhat of a pullback here, we can actually kind of do it. Or if we get a bullish one, it'd be even better actually. We could do that on the bull, full send the bull. Again, this is a Grand Cup tournament account. I normally wouldn't condone these actions, and I normally be very pissed if anybody did that. But I have been trading for 7+ years, and I know that this won't impact my trading at all on my actual accounts. And I'm only trying to get ahead of the game to then kind of be able to chill. Because if anything, I can always reset it. All right. So that's basically it. Because I do like the competition aspect of things. I do fuck with that. And I have to get off at exactly 11 today. So we're gonna try to make the most of it. 2 dot here on our 6. Dot on our 4 here. I'd love to get a pullback. Super AO. I don't care, bro. These things are all bait. All these short signals are bait. They're all fucking trying to bait me. It's fucking hot in this room. Let me open the window. I'll be back 1 sec. Dude, my PC warms up the fucking office like a motherfucker. And the AC's outside when my door's closed. Bullish AO here in Delta Shift. I'm on 11 right now. 10. I'd love to get a bullish triangle to come through, divergence triangle to come through, and then we can kind of send on that motherfucker. And they pull on crazy. We had some nice crazy trades at the start though. Unfortunately, we had to get kind of piped here on shorts. But we live and we learn. Now we know and we're ready to adapt and go long. Right. Don't want to marry a bias too much. Especially when I'm scalping. Ish, I guess. I wouldn't call it 100 tick scalping really. Let's nice move down here. Will we get a move down? Who knows? Who knows? My nerd is not following at all, by the way. Like, at all. For some reason. Maybe I need to do it like this. There we go. I think that was going to be good. We're currently on moderate buy. Here's a nice move down. We got a dot on the 6. I did get a little lower here. Drop a little bit more, right? Get our MACV to kind of go a little lower here on our oversold. And then, nope. Obviously, now we just fucking rip. And it's going to give us another divergence down, but I don't care. AO down to the 4. Some people already blew their account. Absolutely crazy to me. Absolutely crazy to me. Although I say that and I might do it. Those moves up are actually fucking diabolical, by the way. I'm about to send a fucking ripper on anything I can get on the 2 and the 4 longs. There's a little dot here on the 2, but that's not enough. Possibly something on the 6 would be good. Did you get a ready DD on the... There's a dot, a ready DD on the 2, dot on the 6. Could give it a try tight stop. But I think we're overextended. To the upside, I expect somewhat of a pullback here. I expect somewhat of a pullback here. AO up on the 2. Delta on the 4. AO on the 2. And then go short on the 2. Don't care. I'm gonna wait for my triangle. My triangle is my safe space. Although I did get 2 ready DDs to go up there, 2 AOs. It does say it's a little too fast, and it is a little too fast to be honest. If you're in the chat right now, tell me right now, are you in the Tradify Grand Cup or are you not? I want to know everything. I want to know if you guys are trading this shit. This is a nice opportunity for longs in my opinion. In my opinion, this is a nice opportunity for longs. Yeah, like it. Super tight stop would be below here. Just try it out. I knew it. All right, super tight stop here. Give me some follow through. Give me some fucking follow through. Nice, very nice. Name a short, end of divergence short. Probably shouldn't have toughed it out. It's fine. This might be the divergence that will actually bring us down super low. Yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna wait for the bullish one. I'm gonna wait for the bullish one here. I'm going to wait for the bullish one here. I'm looking for a big trade. I'm looking for something massive to come through here. So I won't take profit at 1020 ticks. My nerd is currently neutral. Neutral on the nerd. I don't know why it's actually not clocking right now. I signed up, but it's not active today. But my 150k lightning funded has a decent net. I passed the 50k apex and I'm classical. Nice, bro. Oh, blew up 5. Well, it was fine. How's it not active today? Why is it not? Why is it not active today? We just got a divergence up, by the way. On the 6. I probably about EQ this leg here. We're gonna follow it. Tight stop. Very tight stop here. Looking for follow through up. Nice. Very nice. Insta BE. Don't care. Looking for follow through. Harmonic shark. Hey, I don't care, bro. Trend is so bullish. I'm willing to hold through. Like I said, I'm waiting. I'm holding out for some big trades here. There we go. There we go. Send it at least 50 ticks. At least a 50 ticker or anything really. I know how trends work. I know how order flow works. I know how the market works. And there's room to go here. There's room to grow. I'll go break even here. I'll go BE and might stop BE actually. Wait, it's not stopping me. Alright, we'll get out of here. This thing's not stopping me. Fortunate. It's fine. It's fine. I just signed up after the open. Wasn't going to do it since I traded a lot of PA accounts separately, but figured it was worth a shot. Maybe I can get a lightning funding discount or something. Oh yeah, definitely worth a shot, I think. Right? I'm gonna. It's like me. I still have to pay my bills and stuff, but I'm gonna send this account, see if I can pass or if I can get qualified quick, and then from there. If I blow the account in one day, I blow the account in one day. It is what it is. I don't care. I really don't care. AO up on our 2 here. Love to get another divergence here. And that divergence will probably be crazy. I'm sending the. I am a full-time trader, and I'm basically only sending this for the content possibility from it, right? This thing is fucking dropping. I'm glad I got out of there. Really good. I got it. Really glad. Leave that on our 4 here. Should be a divergence coming in soon, and I do like this pull. It's a big pullback, and I love it. I love how big this pullback is. AO, super AO, give me my divergence here. I know it's coming. Dot, divergence, give it to me. AO, headshot on the 6. This might be a 5 counter. Into 5 more. Big play coming. I don't want to ruin it by blowing the account on a pullback. I'm going to enter 5 early, and I'll add 5 more if we dip below. Off that headshot, super AO here. Agreed, I will just enter 10 costs for a trade, either big one or blow. Yeah, exactly. Don't care. If it blows, it is what it is. If it blows, it is what it is. There's a divergence. Slapping 5 more. I'm full side. This trade right here is either gonna make or break the account, to be honest. That's what I'm thinking right now. Actually, we do have room. I don't really want us to be stuck in this fucking trade for a while. I'm only gonna get out of this trade if it breaks through my divergence triangle, basically. What do you mean you're not in the tournament? Unfortunately, that's kind of how you have to treat these tournaments, where you kind of send, right? And then hopefully that you're not, you know, in your losing part of your RR or whatever, right? When you whatever strategy is never going to be 100% win rate. So hopefully we land once or twice on a winner, on a winner chicken dinner. This trade here is either going to make or break, I think, the account. Because there is so much upside potential here. So much upside potential. Insane upside potential actually here on this trade. I think it would be stupid of me to take it off here. RR is nuts, right? Missing what, 200, 300 for big move, right? Now that we did get an AO, there is a possibility where we could put the... Ooh, that's not what I'm going to do. Where we could put the stop below it. And it wouldn't be completely dumb. But... I feel like this thing could just actually tap me and go. Yeah, you know, we're going to leave it here. We're going to leave it here. We're going to play it safe. Ish. I think it's a good area. We had these lows here that got taken out. We move up, pierce those double AOs here. Off that divergence triangle again. We'd look to something on the 4 or the 2 to send us up, but it's happened that we just go without anything, right? I do like that we're definitely an OT at this area too. If we move down, we're going to move down fat as well, so I don't mind getting stopped here. But like I said, the upside potential is too nuts to not take it. I guess I'm stopped out right there. Oh, yeah, stopped out. Okay, it's all good. I probably got one more try at this before I destroy the account, so we'll see what we can get here. If I end up destroying the account, it'll be what it will be, bro. We're going to be right back to trading Apex and our FTMO accounts and our live accounts. And paying our bills. Oh, I knew it was going to be big if we go down. I'm putting 5 here on the AO and the AO and the headshot here. Simply because we did take this low here, but we didn't really move down here on our MACV. I like that. If we go down even slightly, I'll add 5 more. Red dot on the 6. Took this. I mean... It's either we go here or we don't, right? I'm expecting a divergence triangle to come through as well. It says below this trailing DD. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. It's probably the last try. Probably gonna hold this until we get stopped. Is it EOD or is it trailing? It's trailing, right? I'm pretty sure. Well, if it's trailing, then I guess we're gonna go full cons. I guess we're gonna go full cons here. Yeah, I figured. I don't think we're putting a stop on this trade. I think the stop is just the DD. I think the stop is just the DD here. King's timing is approaching as well. Macro's about to come in. There is opportunity that we could definitely rip up here. All right, we'll go B here. Will we? Yeah, we will. We have a big harmonics above. There's definitely room for us to kind of expand here. Oh, I got fucking stopped. I was gonna take it off. It's fucked me low. I was in line, came back, damn near no drawdown left. Damn. Dot. I'm sending full cons here. Like I said, I'm targeting those PRZs above. I don't know how much drawdown I got left in me. But if this thing could just keep going up, we'll never find out. Go up to that PRZ, por favor. This little 1 minute, yeah. English, I don't give a fuck. Harmonic, I don't give a fuck. I want those PRZs. I want this right here, this yellow box. I want the price to go right in it. Divergence down. We're gonna go break even on the divergence down. Hopefully we can just kind of follow through like we did here. AO down. Oh my god. I can't get any follow through on the longs. Unfortunate PA here. I can't get any follow through on my longs. Oh, hold on. I might have spoken too soon. I just signed up for the hell of it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, honestly, that's basically what you have to do with this thing, bro. You have to send. If you take it too serious, you're not gonna have enough money made. And if you take it too like serious in the sense where like you trade it for a while properly, you're gonna waste your time, basically, right? And I don't have any time to waste. One minute is also really not a lot of it took me out of one con. That's petty as fuck from NQ. It sniffed my fucking SL, took me out of one con. You guys see that shit? That's fine. If this thing could rip up now, I'd be fine. Take the one con. Take it. I don't want it. Of course not, it rips. AO down. Stop is staying right there. Stop is staying right. Is staying put. Don't give a shit. I'm holding that motherfucker till death do us part. NQ. Until death do us part. If you guys believe in this trade, or if you guys don't, like the stream right now. It helps me out so much with the algorithm. I would really appreciate it. And on that note, we are up 40 ticks right now on this trade. Ideally, we'll be. Oh damn. You fucking kidding me? You fucking kidding me? I had to say something, did I? I did. I really, truly did have to say something. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. It's fine. We did just get a purple triangle. I mean, off this move now, I mean, I'm leaning shorts, bro. Like, this market is a tough cookie to read. Very tough cookie to read. Ideally, yeah. Yeah. Don't quote me on that, Cam, bro. I saw your stories. I know what you said. And I could say stuff too, okay? I could put stuff in air quotes too. Be very careful what you say. I follow you on Instagram. I know what's going on. I know exactly what's going on with you, okay? All right. Big orders to go down here. My jaw is fucking killing me, by the way. Wouldn't mind price sweep. Shark, super AO, shark here, nice. 10 cons in. Full send right here. This is it. Make or break the account right now. Oh, this might be a break. Enigma on the 6. Actually, no stop, bro. This is it right here. Make or break the account. Right here. Stone cold. I'm even gonna lay down. It's not that bad. I know. I'm just playing with you. But we have triple shark on our 6 right now. Enigma on the 6. Pull back right off everything here on the 43. Super AO on the 2. Hella AOs on the 4. Right. Blue AO comes in on the 6. I mean, listen. The only thing that's fucking us right now is the order flow a little bit, but if it could switch for golden, and this is a great area to enter too, so we'll see, man. We'll see. This is it right here. That's the lie I kept telling myself. What was the lie you kept telling yourself? That this was it. Listen, if this trade don't hit, either way, I'm at the end of the stream. So if this trade don't hit, it is what it is. All right. It is what it is. The trades I took today were a little bit faster than I usually take them. They were a lot worse, actually, I want to say, because I kind of had to push it a little bit, right? On that note, I don't give a fuck what happens to this account. I really don't. I would be happier blowing it today than making money, some money today, some money tomorrow, and then blowing it, or making some money for 5-6 days and then not like qualifying, right? So I'd rather blow the bitch today and just move on. There we go. There will be no break even on this trade. This is death or living, basically. I don't know where I will TP though. I mean, while this seems like a good area to TP, I would still be in drawdown if I did, so I won't. I'll just hold until I get a bearish divergence, which should actually be right here because I see it. But I might actually hold through that bitch. Oh, that is top of channel AO ready to and like this is some strong shit going on right now. There's a world where I half my trade right here and I add half on the pullback. But you know what, bro? Actually, fuck it. Fuck it. Like I said, I'm not even doing nothing here. I'm not doing nothing. Like till death do us part, NQ. Because with my P&L, I think I'm down 3 right now. Down 300. But I was up 300 as well. So yeah, I think I have like $600 of room ish. I think this is the best area to enter contracts long. There's no better area than right here. I'm kidding though. Nerd neutral. Yeah, but the nerd's also bugged a little bit tonight, so we're currently we're neutral. We're down right now. It's fine, bro. It is what it is. Like I said, make or break the account. I'm super relaxed right now. Super chill. We have a bunch of bullish things going on. I mean, listen. Market sentiment overall is, I think, it's pretty bullish. Unless we got some news on financial Jews I didn't see. Oh. We might have. No, that was Chinese shit. Chinese unemployment rates and stuff. Fine. It's fine. Y'all are gonna watch this account be blown live, possibly. Possibly blown account here. You guys are to be assisting to this. I could trade it smart and half my position and add more lower, but nope. Nope. Holding that bitch. It's looking grim. It's looking so fucking grim. Oh shit. I mean, listen, if there was an area to go up. Oh fuck. This is looking slightly grim here. I do want to point out that this is not how I usually trade. It is the Grand Cup. I am full sending it for shits and giggles here a little bit, and also because you kind of need to do that, in my opinion, to kind of get a good position early on, and then you kind of just have to hold your position. I think that's the best way to kind of do in a tournament. I could also reset it, and I'm early still, right? A little early reset here, maybe. No divergence here. I mean, I'm surprised I'm still in this fucking account right now. I thought I'd be gone by then. Yeah, the Grand Cup started today, Tony. How the fuck am I still in this, by the way? And also, how is it still fucking going down? I thought it started on Tuesday. No, started today, brother. Started today. It started today. So what's Tuesday? Good question. I don't know. I have no idea what Tuesday is. Is there news Tuesday? That's crazy. No. I don't know what's Tuesday, bro. It's a good question. I think I have a band actually left of drawdown. Now that I'm looking at it on the website. So I might actually get off here soon because like I said, I have to get off at 11 and just stay in this trade. I could also cut my camera and stay in this trade and just go live on my life. But you have a demo account as well as the actual account. The actual Grand Cup account is a demo account, right? It's a profit account, which is basically a demo. Basically the same thing. But me personally, I have a bunch of funded accounts with a bunch of companies, and I also have my own live account that I trade. Oh yeah, bro, this shit's looking grim. I've never been down this much. I haven't up this much on AlgoBox. I've never been down this much. But again, I should have been out of the trade a long time ago. I'm just trading like an idiot because I was trying to make a profit quick. I do want to point out this is not how I usually trade. I don't want people to get this image of me. I'm the disciplined guy. I'm the don't do this guy, and I'm doing it here because for a bunch of different reasons, I guess. But it also goes like I said, right? I won't waste my own time, and I have put a video on that where if you have a funded account or you have an actual account and you gamble it or you full port it after like a day, 2 day, 3 day, 3 day, or even after passing the account. Like let's say you pass the account, you're trading the PA, and then shit's not going well, and you end up full porting it. You're wasting your own time, right? Which is like the worst thing, because it took time to pass it, took time to make the money to buy it, whatever. And why would you waste your own fucking time? And it's the same thing here, basically, that applies, right? I'm not gonna be wasting my own fucking time trading some bullshit that's basically demo. It's not gonna bring me any money for like a week or two, right? So might as well blow it now. I'm saying I have two different accounts. One says demo, and the other is the 25K account inside my initiative Grand. Your Grand Cup account should be like this: limited account, GCU, whatever, right? That's kind of how it should be. That's kind of how it should be. Is a Grand Cup micro? It's 10 micros, 1 mini. I feel like the 15K up, the guy that's up 15K right now is pure cap. I thought that's gotta be cap. It's got to be. We're clocking our way up. I mean, I'll take it. I will take it. All right. Anyways, on that note, guys, we also have a CH. I don't know what is the setup. Your own software. 10 micros, 1 mini. Gotcha. Thank you, my guy. Yep. Gotcha. No, this is AlgoBox, brother. They're doing 2-week free trial right now. It's on Ninja Trader. I recommend you give it a shot. I think it's one of the best algorithmic trading software that's ever been made. I think you should definitely try it out. Go look at their website. I'm gonna link you some shit, Alex, and you decide if you wanna go check it out or not, right? Hold up. Looking for it. So this is basically all the documentation they have on this thing, AlgoBox. And this is my discount if you end up wanting to get it. Anyways, probably gonna be stopped out here at the account. It was a good run. We had a good run. Tomorrow morning we trade FTMO, and then my live account, and tomorrow night live stream here on YouTube again with AlgoBox trading Apex. Am I profitable with it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you want to tune in tomorrow night during the stream, I will be trading my Apex account, my PA, and you'll see how I actually trade with it and how great this fucking thing is. Other than that, guys, if you guys like the stream, please like it. Again, it helps me out a ton with this YouTube shit. Sub to the channel if you guys aren't. I would really appreciate that too. And on that note, guys, I will catch you guys tomorrow if you're into free Discord. Links to the bio. Tomorrow morning or tomorrow night if you guys want to tune into this live stream. I will also let you guys know in the Discord if it ends up blowing or going in this trade here. So have a great night, guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow.